I'm not gonna say anything. Just you. I'm not gonna say anything. I don't want that. Why do I always hear those sounds? I don't know what it means though. Okay, so I'm only gonna make this about 3 minutes long. So yeah. So don't get all mad at me if it's not that long. Okay? Because I'm not gonna be doing that many of these videos. Oh my gosh. Okay. So, in the comments down below, you should tell if you guys have this game and if there's like an ending to this game or something like that. I have a question to ask. How do you give people like jobs and stuff? Tell me in the comments down below. Wait, who's that? Who that? Did you want? Who that? What is that? I want to see. Is that like a new? Is that a new person who lives here? Hold on. I gotta go. So I know it's not him because I just talked to him. Hurry. Who is this girl or boy? Sahara. I'm gonna call her Sarah. For that is my name. I come from faraway land. I have many wallpapers for papering of walls. Many carpets for the painting of cars. For 3,000 bells. Deal? No thanks. So sad. Your words. Perhaps next time. Yes. Hey! I want to buy them. No, just kidding. I want to buy them. Can you stop following me? You made me mess up, doy. I'm gonna probably make this 4 minutes because I said or 5. Yeah, 4. Well, then the time is almost up. It's almost been 4 minutes. Because I'm looking at it on my recorder right here. I'm gonna go back to the shop really quickly, and then I'll make a new video after this. Have a good time.